For people thinking about the most effective way to clean safety glasses in their workplace, these are two of the most popular choices. These are both made by Bolle Safety. Now the first is a pre-moistened cleaning wipe. So this box contains 100 pre-moistened cleaning wipes. Now they're a single-use wipe, easy to get into. Pre-moistened with cleaning fluid to suit polycarbonate safety glasses. Great if you've got a dusty workplace, or if you've got people that are mobile and you want to issue a handful of wipes to each person. Very easy to dispense. The next one is a reusable cleaning wipe station. So this would be fastened to the wall. There's fluid in the center there, and there's 2 packs of tissues. So the fluid looks like this, it's 500 ml. That can be replaced, and the boxes can be replaced as well, but the dispenser stays on the wall. Great if you've got lots of people in the workplace. Cleaning solutions for safety glasses. These are from Bolle Safety. Speak with the team at your local Safety Grip branch for further information.